What's up guys, welcome to my Android tutorial for beginners series. I am Siddharth, your instructor, and I call myself Shreks from Smart Hood. I belong to India and I have been into this mobile application development from last 3 years. Also, I am the technical speaker of Google Developers Group Bhubaneswar, India, and hold many tech conferences and seminars in various Indian institutions. Teaching is my passion, and trust me guys, I'm gonna make you master in Android application development. So if you want to enter the world of mobile application developers, then this is your final destination. So what you are gonna get from this course? This course covers all the Android Lollipop features which was introduced by Google recently. Also, if you don't have too much experience of coding, or in case you don't know Java, then please don't worry about it. This course is for beginners and I'm gonna teach you Android in such a way that you are gonna understand each and every video easily and without any effort. So for all these purpose, I have created separate modules along with the source codes. So whatever demo videos I have made, I have also attached the source codes along with those videos for your reference. And we will use the Android Studio, which is the official IDE provided by Google. And also in many of the demo videos I have used Eclipse. So it's totally up to your choice. Either you use Android Studio or you can also use Eclipse. Now there is 100% assurance of assistance. In any case you guys are facing any difficulty, then you can post your question in the discussion forum and definitely I am going to reply. Also, this course comes with 30 days money back guarantee. In case you find any difficulty in understanding any of the demo video, then you can simply apply for the refund. And in case of private assistance, you can directly mail me at shreyang.siddhartha@gmail.com. Please feel free to ask any query or any doubt at this email address. So I wish you all the best and get started with your first video. Thank you.